Welcome to the Amy Kardashian and the Expert Show, where we bring some of the top experts in the world to help you transform your business and personal life. I am your host, Amy Kardashian,
not Kardashian. And I am your co-host, Stephanie Thompson. I'm a classically trained singer-songwriter.
Well, in this episode, we are having a great guest later on. She's going to be on the show, but for now, we are going to talk, and I'm going to interview Stephanie on her ongoing trying to figure out how she could lose weight in the healthiest and fastest way, and more the struggle that she's going through. She is going to share with us her steps, what she's doing, and give us a lot of information. So yes. I'm going to give you the stage now, Stephanie, and you are going to share with us from the beginning how you struggled. And we talked about, we were following you losing weight, right?
Right.
But for some people, they haven't been following you about that. Can you give us a background since when and all that stuff?
Well, it's been probably about 3 or 4 years now that I've really been working on trying to lose weight. And I've tried all sorts of different programs. And I don't want to name any of those programs, but I've tried different eating programs and exercise programs and all sorts of things. And I just have not been able to lose the weight. And then recently I did another exercise program, and I was losing inches, which is encouraging, but not the pounds.
Losing inches, but not the pound.
Right.
Which is probably you were putting more muscles, right?
I definitely was, yeah.
But some people, they don't need more muscles. You're a kind of muscle girl.
I have muscles.
It's a gift.
Yes,
It really is a gift. I wish I could put muscles. There is nowhere to, no matter what I put weight on, I just don't put muscles. I don't have the strong muscles that you have.
Right.
But it's frustrating for someone who's trying to lose weight, and
it's dehumanizing because you look at the scale, like I look at it once a week, and you don't see it moving, or you see it go down a couple pounds and then it comes up a couple pounds again. It's like just playing this like game on the scale, like down a few pounds, up a few pounds, down a few pounds, and it's staying about the same weight after week.
I have witnessed that with you.
Yes.
You tried everything. I mean, she tried everything.
Yeah.
Everything she could put her hands on to try. Not everything, but everything makes sense.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
You did. It's not like you were sitting back and not trying.
No.
Okay, you tried exercise, so many different exercises.
And I'm still exercising. I haven't given that up. I'm still exercising,
But this goes back. Even when you were a child, you were struggling back and forth.
I struggled when I was a kid. When I was in about 3rd grade, my parents were like, okay, you're going to go play soccer because you need to get some of this weight off of you. And so I got into soccer when I was in the 3rd grade, and I absolutely, when I first played the game, it was kind of funny because I didn't want the ball to come near me. So whenever the ball came near me, I would kick it out of bounds. I would just kick it out of bounds to get it away from me. But I learned, I went on and I progressed, and I started to do really well playing soccer.
And then you loved it.
So I was athletic, and I was pretty active throughout my childhood. But I always struggled a little bit with just having a little bit of extra weight on me. I was always considered a little, heavy, So
but something happened when you were playing the soccer, right?
Yes. And so it was about 2010. I was playing soccer. I went back to play soccer again because I thought, I've gained some weight. I want to get some of this weight off. So I went to play soccer, and because I love the game, And I went back to play soccer, and about 10 minutes into the game, I went after the ball. I went after this person who was coming down the field with the ball, and I went to kick the ball away from her, and I got my foot caught in this hole in the field, and my knee just twisted right out from under me. And because I had some extra weight on me anyway, it just put a lot of pressure on the knee going down, and I just tore up my ligaments. I tore my ACL, my MCL, the cartilage, the meniscus. It was devastating because it was like it set me back a lot. And I had to go through the surgery and then the recovery. And then after I did that, after I'd gone through all the surgery, all the recovery, gone through physical therapy, a couple months later, I had a freak accident. It was just a freak accident. I was playing around with a friend, and I twisted it again and retore it.
Oh my goodness!
So I had to go through.
Not only you lost your knee, I mean, you know, and then you loved the game.
I love the game. Yeah,
and that was keeping you going.
Yeah, and so I retore it again, and I had the surgery again, and then, you know, trying to stay active, you know, throughout, you know, my endeavor to lose weight and everything, I was still playing sports. And then I had another accident, and I retore the knee again. And that was when the doctor said, no more sports for you.
Wow.
So that was really hard to hear.
Yeah. And since then, you've been struggling, you know, with all this, trying all kind of things to get your to lose some weight, and then you go back and forth with everything.
Right.
I'm sure, you know, if you're not struggling with the weight, maybe you know someone who would like to follow Stephanie and see what she's doing, how much she's educating herself. In the second segment we are going to talk about what she learned when she went to California last week. If you're following us, you will notice she wasn't with us last week. And we missed you on the show.
Thank you. I missed being here.
You. And it was like, oh, my co-host is not with me. She left me alone.
Yeah.
But I was happy for you to go on that journey, because I knew you're going to come back. You are going to share with us some information and also some questions that you had. You wanted to receive.
Absolutely. And I just want to say, you know, I'm sharing this information, I'm sharing this journey with you because I'm hoping that it will help someone else who is out there who's struggling with the same thing. I'm not a doctor or anything like that. I'm not going to give medical advice or, you know, tell you what you should do. I'm just going to share with you what I'm doing. And, you know, maybe that'll help encourage you in your journey or your friend's journey or your parents' journey or whomever it is that is going through it.
What is keeping you not giving up on this?
You know, I'm so blessed because I'm here on the show every week, well, almost every week. And I have, you know, an amazing mentor in you, Amy, and being around Amy and all these other experts that we bring on the show is just amazing. And especially her academy, your academy that you started, the Amy Kardashian and the Experts Academy, they have so many great insights and things that you can learn and that can improve your business and personal life. And just being around these people and having that lifting me up is,
I see you absorb everything we bring to the academy.
I really do.
So talking about the academy, we are going to leave you with some words about the academy so you could learn about it, and then we will be right back.
How many times have you promised to make a change in your life, but you felt stuck, confused, and frustrated? Now there is hope for you to make a change and live your dreams. You will get help and the opportunity to learn from some of the top experts in the world.
We get into the technical aspect.
Because you have someone's email address, go on and determine.
And they do not expect us to just be okay if we do.
For less than 2 cups of gourmet coffee a month. This platform was built by someone who was stuck, confused, frustrated, and had no hope, having only a 4th grade education, severe dyslexia, and English as her 3rd language. Her name is Amy Kardashian, and today she is living her dream. Amy and the experts are here to help you live yours. Start making a massive shift in your business and personal life now. Visit akandtheexperts.com and get your 14-day free access with absolutely no obligation to you.